Hi everyone, this is Yogesh Bagul. In today's video, we will going to focus on how to get what you really want using reticular activating system. And that is also very quickly, in short time. Now, what is reticular activating system? RAS. So this RAS located at the base and center of our brain, and the primary job of this RAS is to filter the data. Do you know how much information our brain captures in a single day? It's 34 GB of data on an average. So our brain constantly looking for something, and it gather information from our senses. The example of this RAS is why you choose to watch this video. Yes, only this video of mine or on this topic. The answer is very simple. Wherever focus goes, energy flows, and that grows. I would like to repeat, wherever focus goes, energy flows, and that grows. So it may apply to your habit also. Whatever the habits that you have formed over the periods of so many years is because of this. You are doing anything repeatedly, consistently, and why you are doing it, because on that particular habit your RAS is totally developed. RAS, reticular activating system, which is at the center of our brain, and it's a collection of millions of neurons at one place only. So when it filters the data, and why it filters, why the RAS is there, one of the function of our brain is of deleting the data, or you can say filtering the data. It stores only that thing wherever our focus is there, or whatever we constantly thinking about, repeatedly thinking about, we will going to take action on it. And our brain is always at our service. Our brain is constantly storing the information, and at the right time, if we are focused, we get answer immediately, and we get those answer immediately. Only those questions answer immediately what we are doing repeatedly. So in this video, you will come to know, if you develop or if you work on one idea, if you constantly thinking about one thing, then you will really get very, very quickly in your life whatever you want. And I am going to give you few ideas that how to get what you really want quickly, because how we develop RAS? By repeatedly thinking about one thing, that is focus. Remember, wherever focus goes, energy flows, and that grows. So what we have to do, first thing, if it's possible right now, you can note down that you can write it. What you really want in next 100 days. Write it. Have clarity. Yes, I want this in next 90 to 100 days. So now it's written. To activate your RAS by repeatedly, consistently doing the thing and taking actions, or in short, thinking about only one single thought. That is your goal. Either by reading your goal, or writing your goal in present tense, or just sharing your idea, or by reading the affirmation loudly, or making a vision board, or the most powerful idea is visualize your goal like you already having it, and enjoy the thrill of achievement in this present moment. So these are the few ideas. Yes, they are powerful, but I would like to give you 5 more tools which will really help you in my next 5 videos. I'm just giving you a brief introduction of it, that if you master these 5 tools, this will really bring a miracle in your life. The first one is values. Second is beliefs or rules. Third is the question that you ask yourself not just once but consistently. Fourth one is the reference. And the fifth one is the state that you are in, the state of your mental and emotional level. If you really master these 5 tools, this will really bring a tremendous change in your life. You will going to notice the difference in your life. You will be a magnet of miracles. As always, be happy, be healthy, be strong. This is Yogesh Bagul, and thank you.